How to get different shield in Monopoly Go. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to show you the ways on how you can get different shield in Monopoly Go. In order to get a different shield in Monopoly Go, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Monopoly application and log in into your account. So there are different ways to unlock shield skin in the game. So first thing, you can go ahead and play a seasonal event, which are limited time event that offers different reward for completing challenges such as rolling a set amount of times, landing repeatedly on specific tiles, etc. And also by completing your quick wins and unlocking weekly reward, you can get different shield in Monopoly Go. You can also go ahead and collect your shield in your showroom, and likewise by joining the specific game event, upgrading your net worth, progressing through your new board and other places, as that's gonna get you access to different shield in Monopoly Go. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.